there's one day left of spring till spring, but we're still talking about more winter weather. A system will be bringing rain, snow, and sleet beginning overnight. Take a live look outside. Clouds are moving in and a wintry mix behind it. WJZ has a team of reporters covering this wintry mix. Let's start with Bob Turk updating temperatures in the approaching system. Bob.
Does not seem possible. Today we're close to 60 degrees. The road temperatures in the upper 70s, even some near 80 degrees right now. But it will get colder, and there's precipitation to our west. It's going to be moving in overnight tonight. Temperatures will fall back into the 30s, and that means some frozen precipitation of a mixed variety will be moving into there very late tonight and on Tuesday. And that's only the first system. Actually, two of these systems that will be impacting the region. Temperature-wise, look at this, 57 degrees right now. Cooler Ocean City at 44, 64 degrees in Cumberland now. Now, despite these warm temperatures today, believe it or not, for tomorrow, we actually have a winter weather advisory for most of the region, even a winter storm warning for far western Maryland, and that'll be Tuesday morning through the evening hours. And believe it or not, on Wednesday, we have another system that will approach the region with winter storm watches over much of the region for the day on Wednesday. Believe it or not, it doesn't seem possible, but it's more than likely expected to happen. Meg is looking at some of the snowfall totals we're expecting. This is going to be a very wet snow. That's one thing we're pretty sure about. Meg?
Hi there, Bob. So, yes, we're talking about two different systems, and that means multiple rounds of this winter precipitation. So, first of all, what's up for tonight? So, after midnight, we are expecting rain and sleet to move in. Now, as we move into tomorrow morning, throughout the day tomorrow, we do see some of that rain and sleet turning over to snow. Accumulations, though, for Tuesday, we're talking under an inch. It's Wednesday that, based on the colder temperatures that we're expecting, our most likely form of precipitation for Wednesday, particularly during the first half of the day, is going to be some snow. So let's talk about what that means as far as how much we could see. Well, these numbers are updating all the time, so we actually just updated this map here. So you'll notice Baltimore in this area, 1 to 3 inches possible. Far western Maryland up to 6. As we move east here, 3 to 4 inches. And then on the eastern shore, actually in this area of purple, once again, that could see 4 to 6 inches. Coming up, though, in the full forecast, of course, we want to time this out for you, let you know when the heaviest snow is going to track through your neighborhood. Mary?
Meg, thank you. Let's turn to Avajoy Burnett with more on the preparations underway. Avajoy?
No jacket out here today, Mary, because it's just that nice. And with the WJZ Mobile Weather Lab, it is close to 60 degrees. Can you believe it? But this temperature, it's about to plummet in the next 24 to 48 hours. And that's the biggest concern for the State Highway Administration. Here we go again. Salt and brine line the highways as the region gets ready for another blast of winter. And we're just hours away from spring.
I guess the weather can't make up its mind right now.
This is the fourth time the East Coast has seen a system like this in just a matter of weeks, and the State Highway Administration has dispatched crews to pre-treat the roads, but this system may be tricky. If the road temperatures dip below 32 degrees for an extended period of time, precipitation could freeze Tuesday into Wednesday and create a commuter's nightmare. So as always, you're being warned to slow your roll.
The speed limits are set for dry conditions, and these aren't going to be dry conditions, so, keep your speeds down a bit. Give yourself time.
And remember that the overpasses and the bridges, they usually freeze over first. So disregard the air temperature. You really need to be focusing on the ground temperature. Right now, once again, we got to remind you, close to 60 degrees out here. But within the next 24 to 48 hours, things are really going to change. Live tonight in Baltimore County, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.
Soak in that sunshine right now, Avajoy. Thank you. WJZ will be on the air early tomorrow at 4:30 a.m. Tune in for the latest forecast, traffic updates, and any closings or delays. Always remember to download WJZ's weather app to keep track of our changing and crazy weather. Get hourly, daily, and extended forecasts plus severe weather warnings. Just search WJZ Weather and get our app.